Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the device, account, and that the OS supports built-in limits. This avoids surprises. Next, choose a daily allotment and a downtime schedule so limits serve your routine. Once done, sign in as the administrator or parent and enable the screen time or parental controls feature. This grants you control across devices. Make sure to set device groups now so rules apply consistently. These first actions establish the policy and prepare the system for precise limit settings. Now you configure the detailed rules, tap into app categories, and set per app or category limits to target time syncs. You'll also create different schedules for weekdays versus weekends so the plan matches real life. This prevents gaming the system on Saturdays. Make sure to add essential exceptions like phone calls or navigation for safety. Finally, require a passcode or authentication to extend or bypass limits. That prevents casual overrides and ensures the policy actually changes behavior. Finish by testing the configuration for at least 48 hours. Run normal usage and watch for unexpected allowances or blocks so you can refine rules. Once satisfied, sync settings across accounts and devices to ensure uniform enforcement. If conflicts appear, clear app caches or reapply profiles. If limits still fail, reset the screen time passcode, revoke problematic device access, and perform an OS restart. This resolves most lingering issues. If problems persist, retrace steps and tighten exceptions until enforcement is reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.